So what's going on, guys? Quick tip from Peter Auto Repair Tips. Got a customer of mine going on a trip. They got 50% life left on the oil, but they're going on some travels, so they want to go ahead and change the oil. It's an 07 Odyssey. What you're going to do is, keys in the off position. You're going to turn it to the second position. Everything lights up. You're sitting there at 50% oil life. Take the reset button and hold it. Count at least 10 to 12 seconds. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, see it start to flash? You're gonna release it, then hold it for 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you go. Oil life's at 100%. Simple and easy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk to you guys later.